Are you struggling to analyze data for your business or research? Then the multiple classification analysis must be your first pick. Are you wondering what this analysis method is? Let's first define it. What is multiple classification analysis? Multiple classification analysis, also known as factorial analysis of variance, is a type of qualitative analysis method that analyzes the impacts of several categorical independent variables on one dependent variable. Key components of a multiple classification analysis: dependent variables, independent variables, unadjusted and adjusted means. Are you wondering why researchers prefer this analysis method over other methods? Here are some reasons. Why use MCA instead of traditional analysis methods? Handle multiple independent variables. Offer adjusting means for overlapping influences. Provide clearer comparisons between categories. Help in comparing non-monetary valuation. So, you have explored what the multiplication analysis method is and why it is important. Now, learn how you can conduct a successful analysis for your research. How to do multiple classification analysis? Collect data, conduct computation, calculate the means, interpret results. Want to get help with multiple classification analysis? Contact us for expert guidance today.